Hi, I'm Kaylin with Volitant, and today I'll be unboxing the Segway Navimow X3 This is the most capable version of Segway's new X3 series of robotic lawnmowers, all of which are super quiet, require no boundary wire, and mow on your schedule. There are currently 4 models in the Segway Navimow X3 line. The X315, which can mow up to 1/2 acre, the X330, which can do up to 1 full acre, the X350, which can do 1.5 acres, and the X390, which is this unit right here, can do up to 2.5 acres. That means this model right here is capable of mowing almost 2 whole football fields. Let's open this up and see what's in the box. Let's put some of this together on the bench and start charging the station. So here's the unit, the mower unit itself, the charging station, antenna and antenna masts, power cable and charging block, anchors and other hardware. Here's the antenna with a 20-foot extension and the power bank with a 30-foot extension cord. The unit should be fully charged before its first use. A full charge will take about 1.5 hours. While the mower is charging, let's get a bit more in-depth on the X3's features and then talk about who this mower is for. All the X3 models have an adjustable cutting height from 2 to 4 inches. Cutting swath is 9.3 inches using 6 cutting blades. The obstacle avoidance uses 4 onboard cameras and AI to safely plan a path around objects. A child lock can be activated from the app. Anti-theft is built in, and there is an integrated status screen and emergency stop button right on top. All X3s come with a subscription to 4G service and a 3-year warranty. The battery itself has a 2-year warranty, and all are IP66 rated to handle dirt and rain. The mower has sensors to detect rain or sprinklers, and it will automatically put itself away. There is an optional garage that helps shelter the mower from sun and rain when not in use. All of the X3 models can cut on a slope up to 50% or 27 degrees. Again, the X3s are boundary wire free using GPS and RTK positioning. In layman's terms, that means it uses satellites and its antenna together for inch-level precision. For complex environments, an optimal second antenna can be added. A trimming attachment is available, but due to safety regulations, you must be with the mower to supervise its use of the optional string trimmer. These Segway Navimow robotic lawnmowers are really for anyone. Many people are too busy to fit mowing into their schedule. Whether it's recreation, family requirements, or work responsibilities, you want to use your valuable time for other things. Some people have limited mobility, and the Navimow can help them keep their independence. Many HOAs have rules about noise and what time residents are allowed to mow, so the Navimow may be a clever solution to comply with the covenants. Or maybe you just don't like to mow. Well, here you go. While the X3s are very capable and rarely need you to do anything once they are set up properly, they do require minimal maintenance and may need your intervention occasionally. The blades will need to be checked and changed on a regular basis, which can vary from 4 to 12 weeks depending on your particular lawn. The unit should be cleaned as needed, but thanks to its IP66 rating, it can simply be hosed off. Just don't use a pressure washer. If the yard has any holes in it, the unit can get high-centered and need a nudge to keep moving. And certain environments can have what's called a GPS shadow, where buildings or dense tree foliage can block out signals to the mower. Antenna placement is crucial for success, and certain conditions may require the optional second antenna. If you suspect you have a complex area, make sure to mention it to a sales rep to make sure that they can assess the area and provide a good recommendation. So, if you want something to make lawn care easier and less time consuming, or you just don't enjoy the chore of mowing, there's a Segway Navimow for you. Get in touch with Volitant to explore your options today.